What if I told you that you could take just $100 and in the next 30 days, turn it into $1,000? No coding, no tech degree, no quitting your job, just you, your laptop, and AI tools that are available to everyone right now. And no, this isn't a click some buttons and get rich scam. This is the exact step-by-step system I've used, and I'll show you how to do it with real numbers so you can start today. The AI industry is exploding. Last year alone, it grew by over 30% and it's projected to be worth over $1 trillion in the next decade. Businesses in the US are desperate to save time and money, and AI tools give them exactly that. But here's the thing. Most business owners don't have time to learn AI. That's where you come in. You can be the bridge between the tech and the people who need it. And the best part? You don't need to build anything complicated. You just need to package AI's power into services people will pay for. Step 1. Pick your service. Start with a service that's in demand but quick to deliver. For example, AI-generated social media content for small businesses. AI-written product descriptions for Etsy or Amazon sellers. AI-powered resume writing for job seekers. These are all things you can do with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Midjourney, most of them free or under $20 a month. Step 2. Create your AI workflow. Let's say you choose AI content creation. You can use ChatGPT to write posts, Canva to design them, and schedule them with free tools. That's it, a service worth $50 to $200 per client. Step 3. Find your first clients. List your service on Fiverr, Upwork, and even Facebook Marketplace. Search for local businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn and DM them directly. Hey, I noticed you haven't posted in a while. I help small businesses create engaging posts using AI. Want me to send you a free sample? Here's how I'd use that $100. $20 for a premium AI tool like ChatGPT Plus or Canva Pro. $30 for Fiverr or Upwork profile boosts to get noticed faster. $50 for running targeted Facebook ads to reach your ideal audience. The goal? Get your first paying client in the first 10 days. Once that happens, you've broken even. Everything after that is profit. Here's the math. Let's say you sell a $100 package, 10 Instagram posts plus captions plus designs. Sell one package, you've made your $100 back. Sell 5 packages, you're at $500. Sell 10 packages, you've hit $1,000. And remember, once your process is set up, delivering each package might only take you 1 to 2 hours thanks to AI. That means you could do this alongside your regular job or school. Once you hit $1,000, you have 2 choices. 1. Keep it as a side hustle and use the extra cash to pay off debt, save, or invest. 2. Scale it into a business, reinvest profits into ads, upgrade tools, or hire a virtual assistant to help with delivery. The real magic happens when you turn your service into a product. For example, selling AI-made templates or ebooks. That's passive income, and it can keep earning you money even while you sleep. Most people fail because they underprice their work, charge what it's worth, overcomplicate things, stick to 1 to 2 simple services. Give up after 2 weeks. The first 14 days are the hardest. If you stay consistent, this works, period. You've just seen exactly how to turn $100 into $1,000 with AI in 30 days. No coding, no crazy tech skills. If you're ready to start, comment, I'm in below, and I'll DM you my free AI tools cheat sheet. And if you want the full list of AI side hustles making people thousands right now, watch the video on your screen. I'll see you there.